Alright guys, if you want to see how to get these wash plates, these hubs, these impeller styles off really easy, I'm going to show you. It's, on this style of washer. They could be on the Kenmores or Amanas like that. Any of those washers that you have these wash plate agitators that you just can't seem to get off. So I'm going to show you. Let's see here. First off, you need one of these bolts or something similar to this. This is basically just the same thread pitch as the agitator bolt there, and it's just longer. I'm going to list them in the link down below, but you can get these on Amazon. Once you get it, you're going to want to cut the top off like this, so that way it fits inside your hammer, your electric hammer. Okay. All right, let me set the camera here. Hopefully I don't drop the camera. Okay. So you gotta take that out, and then this one's in there pretty good. Some don't even move at all like that. It's still going to work the same. So then what you're going to want to do is put this in here. I screw it down, I don't know, quite a ways. There's not really a set area, I suppose, of how far down there on the threads you need to be, but you're definitely going to want it down there at least a little ways. Okay, then when you take your hammer, you're going to want to pull up with your left hand or your other hand. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall. Here we go. You can see how that just walks right up there. You're off in less than, I don't know, 30 seconds. It'll just walk right off. And then you can just take your bolt out. So yeah, guys, this will work on any style washer that has this impeller like this. Works amazing. I've had some that are really wrenched on there, and this thing just, it takes them off almost instantly. Can't say enough about it. So I'll list the link for the hammer and the bolt down below, and give it a try, guys. It's a game changer.